Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have for you a review on Beauty Big Bang's Chameleon Duochrome Flakes. I have all 10 colors here. As you can see, they come in a Ziploc bag and they have included the sponge applicator for each one of them. Also, I want you to see how they're all individually sealed. And so the flakies they're very light and very airborne, so they apply very well over it. They kind of go like a very like with static cling, and so they will go best over a top coat, but no white top coat over a black base. So this is what you're going to see me apply here. Each one of the colors, they are labeled 1 through 10. I am starting with number 1 here. And then when you're finished, yes, you can see they kind of fly all over. They're almost like gold leaf types of flakies in different colors. So you're going to see me apply here, do all the swatches for 1 through 10, and I will go ahead and meet you at the end. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So here are all the colors. These are absolutely gorgeous, guys. They kind of give you that somewhat of a patina look there with they look like they are textured, but they're not. They're completely smooth and have that metallic chrome look. So that is it for the review, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that if you're interested in these, the link will be down below, as well as my 10% discount code, NAQ57, which you may apply for a discount. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these gorgeous chameleon flakies to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.